Well, hello everybody. I'm painting a rock today with silver and black with a teal pearl background, and I'm using a clay tool at the moment. Um, this one I normally don't use, but today or that day I was just grabbing the tool. So you can do it kind of sideways or you can do it straight up and down. This particular tool will make a circle even if you are slanted. This is a wooden dowel that I'm using. I got these at the hobby store. You can also get them at the hardware store, and I just sawed them off and made a hand tool out of it, and used the rest of the dowels for other projects. I have sped this up a little bit, like about 4 times. So it is a slow meditation process. It's really good for art therapy. It's like meditation. So you're concentrating, just on one thing, and it slows your mind down. And that's why I like it, because I like that. I like creating things, all kinds of things. Just for art therapy, it calms you. And in today's society, it's just getting so crazy and super fast. So take your time, slow down, and have fun with it, okay? And if you have any questions, please let me know, okay? And yeah, this is Rather Not Say Creations and Crafts. Let me know in the comments if you would like to see any other color schemes, color palettes. You can see me on social media under Rather Not Say Creations. Mandala pages on my Facebook and Instagram. Okay, bye. Okay, thanks for watching, everyone. Have a good day. Bye.